What's going on, guys? So I wanted to go over our winterization process with our trucks, mowers, our equipment, kind of how we do everything. So right now it's a couple days to Christmas. We probably have about 3 weeks left of work. We're in the Northeast, so it gets really cold really fast, really windy, rainy, snowy. It starts to become a mess, and it actually has already started. So we get all of our customers taken care of, and I mean, we got we already picked up a few clients already for next year where we're doing their leaves, but we're already a little behind. So once we're done with what we have, we usually cut it off for the year. If there's enough work for 1 or 2 days a week, then absolutely, you know, we usually pick up stuff. I mean, we never fully shut down. There's always something to do. We at least have 1 full day a week all winter long. Whether it be working on stuff, you know, for next year, or doing, you know, maintenance type work on some properties. Like we have some ivy we're dealing with, some brush stuff. So we're never fully shut down, but we do winterize every piece of machinery that we don't use, even the stuff that gets used partially because things sit. So real quick, I wanted to go over everything that we do with the mowers. So these are 2 of our rights. We got our old Toro here, and then everything's in the trailers over here. So you'll see these little notes I put on all these mowers. Now, this is the way I do it. I know everyone has their own opinion on draining fuel, what you do. This is what I've done since the beginning, and I've never had a single issue. So just this is how I do it. Every mower, whether it be a push mower, you know, zero turn, whatever machine, you know, even our snow blowers, everything. So first thing we do is we put Stabil in everything. We run these empty and then put premium fuel in them mixed with Stabil. We do that. Once that's done, we put a cap of seafoam, about a tablespoon in each piece of equipment. I'm trying to zoom in here. Seafoam, and then run everything. Everything's ran, it's in the system, it's in the lines, good to go. And then we do all the spark plugs on all the mowers. We also do the oil, and obviously the oil filter and the air filter. So I know everyone has their own opinion on how they do stuff. That's the way I've done it, and I've never had a problem. You know, you just don't want to come into the spring or next summer and have, you know, a spark plug issue in the middle of July, you know, on a Friday afternoon. Or, you know, you don't want the spring rush to hit and then your oil's not fresh. So we do it all. So, like I said, all that's done. I'm a very big fan of Stabil and Seafoam. I've used them forever, you know, on everything we have, and I've never had an issue. I don't like draining fuel lines. I don't like, you know, I know some guys do, and I know in the comments some guys are going to say it's the way to do it. This is the way we do it, and I've never had an issue with anything. It starts right up. We run everything at least once or twice a week, usually twice, I'd say, just to get things moving. You know what I mean? And that's everything from string trimmers to weed whackers, blowers, mowers, everything I have. I run once or twice a week. So that's what we do with the mowers. The trucks, we have the F350, the Ram 2500, and the F250 over there. So what I do is once a week at least, I'll take one of these trucks out to the store, wherever I gotta go. But again, same thing. When we're done here in a couple weeks, I'll fill these vehicles up. I'll fill all these trucks up with premium, and I'll put I put Stabil in them too. And, you know, again, start them up once a week or run them. So I'll show you if you don't know what it is. I'm a very big fan of this Stabil, the storage. That's what this stuff is. Great company. You know, I buy this stuff in bulk all the time. I have tons of it up here. This is already stuff for next year. And this is the Seafoam I was talking about. This is like some old school motor treatment stuff. It's really, really good. You know, I've done this forever. You know, back in the day, some of you guys might know what Lawn Sight is. Those forums. When I was really starting out, you know, a lot of them guys on there really know their stuff. You know, it's a lot of old school guys. It's not like these Facebook, you know, pages and stuff, but really good. So I've always done that, the Stabil and the Seafoam. And then a little off topic here, this is the 360 protection. I also run this in all the trucks, all the mowers throughout the summer, spring, and fall. That's what that stuff is. But the storage stuff is great. It really is. So we run all that through everything. Run everything through the trucks. And then I'll show you out back here. Usually what I do all winter long too is a lot of these are like our older blades. Some of these are for like our commercial properties. You know, I sharpen them up as best as I can or trash them if need be. Just get everything going, you know. This is all our commercial stuff. We only have a couple commercial properties, but you can see here, like these blades are, that's probably just unsafe. So yeah, so everything gets sharpened up, guys. I sharpen everything up here. So like I said, we're good to go for spring. I'm really big on that. So one thing here too in the winter, and this is our vise, and you know, kind of like an exterior workbench there. But one thing too I like to work on, we call this the junk shed. This is where a lot of our hand tools are, everything like that. I'm overhauling this actually a couple days a week this winter and cleaning it all up. But anyway, I sharpen everything. From our pitchforks, our shovels, everything we need, it gets sharpened. You have to. You know, you have to have everything ready to go for spring. That's the biggest thing. You know, I really suggest just having everything ready. You know, you gotta be prepared, because when spring hits, you know, it hits. You know, the calls trickle in, and then it's just go time. So obviously, you know, one thing you do throughout the season is grease your wheels. You know, the hubs and all that. I grease all that, have that ready to go. I mean, I check it every couple weeks anyway, but everything's greased up, everything's maintained. The dump trailer, you know, you have all the grease points on all these dump trailers, the doors, you know, the lift, the boom, everything. So everything in there gets greased up. Everything back here gets organized. Again, we're still like 3 weeks away from being, you know, done full time. So all this gets overhauled, paint everything, the floor. We gotta actually scrape this up and paint it. It's just surface rust, but you know, get ahead of it now. Wood blocks here that keep everything in. Everything gets painted, everything gets cleaned up. That's what we do there. And then for the snow or the enclosed trailers, same thing. Everything gets, you know, we pump air and everything, we grease everything, we clean everything off. That's our snow trailer for this year. It's usually our commercial trailer for the summer, but everything kind of got overhauled. Obviously, in one of my other videos, we just got our new lawn maintenance trailer for the season, so I'm excited about that. I got some work to do in there. So, and then this is the landscape trailer, hedge trimmers, you know, mowing, you know, commercial stuff, blowers, everything like that. This kind of, again, everything gets overhauled, but this will go out during the winter. So with this truck here, but that's about it, guys. I just kind of wanted to go over everything that we do. You know, you really got to take care of your equipment, and you gotta take the bigger you get, people will say you don't really have much downtime in the winter, and it's true. You know, you got to do a lot of stuff like, you know, budgeting, planning for the next year, updating, you know, socials and things like that. But if you get everything lined up and ready to go, you'll be good to go. You know, for example, like I just said, this steel edgers up here, working on this slowly, get everything kind of lined up, you know. So that's that, guys. It's kind of what we do with everything. So if you have any questions, comment below. Let me know how you do it. But that's pretty much what we do. You know, Stabil, seafoam in everything. Run it all once or twice a week. You know, spark plugs, oil. Do it all now. Do it all when you have the downtime. You know, you won't regret it when it comes spring and, you know, it just starts hitting the fan. Everyone knows how it works. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching.